Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so voice control works reliably. First, make sure your AirPods Pro are paired and both devices are updated. Firmware and iOS updates fix voice issues. Next, enable Siri in settings Siri and search and turn on Hey Siri so the wake phrase is active. Place both AirPods in your ears and keep the case nearby. Charging above 20% prevents interruptions while you test voice commands. Once done enabling Siri, configure its language and voice feedback to match your accent for better recognition. Then open Bluetooth AirPods Pro and set the press and hold or squeeze gestures to activate Siri or noise control depending on your preference. Practice a short list of 5-10 commands, call a contact, play music, change volume, get directions, so you learn natural phrasing and timing. Make sure to speak clearly and at normal volume. The microphone array adapts to your voice when you use consistent commands. To finish, run a full test. Ask Hey Siri for a call, playback control, and navigation while walking and while stationary so you see how environment affects response. If voice pickup is weak, change microphone mode to automatic or a single side in Bluetooth settings to isolate the better mic. Make sure to retrain your cadence by repeating commands a few times. This helps adaptive algorithms. Troubleshooting tip: if recognition still fails, reset the AirPods Pro, then repair them to clear settings and restore reliable voice control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.